What is up, everybody? Today, we're back with another video, and today, we're back playing Castleminer Z Part 6. But, yeah. So, if you know, go check it out, Castleminer Z. Go check it out, other videos that I made. Actually, so if you guys knew, because we had 6 subscribers, hit that subscribe button and the like button, please, I'm begging you. It's nice to meet you, but it's nice to meet you in the video. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So I found my world. Now go check it out, part 4. Go check it out, part 4 that Jameson James made. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to make a shotgun because we need wood. So this is my house over there. So yeah. So this is my house. Oh god, it's laggy. But my screen is very laggy. But yeah, the screen is very laggy. Make sure no zombies will come. Okay, so now we can make a shotgun. So if you know, last time, go check it out, part 5. We just died and we found some gold and everything. So now we're gonna have to make a shotgun and do this. So I didn't complete spotter, but yeah, I didn't complete it. I just die, and yeah. I'm gonna try to. So you can't break spawners. Yeah, you literally can't break spawners. So I made myself a bit shotgun. Shotty shot. Shotty shot. Let's just get this. Now we are ready for that candy spawner right there. So here's my house. I've upgraded my house, literally. Bro, my screen is very laggy, like literally. But yeah, but my screen is very laggy. But it's a bit laggy, like so far. So yeah, my friend's gonna have to come and try to make a video, and yeah, I'm gonna have to put this in the chest so I don't want to lose it. Alright, so this is my world, literally. Alright, now I never play Castleminer Z on 360, which is Sparley. But I never play Castleminer Z on 360. But yeah, but I play a PC with the classic version of the PC because I like that. Get in there. Oh, okay, so this is where last time I got iron in number 4, in part 4. But I got some iron in part 4, but I was lucky. So, yeah. My screen is very laggy, but I had to change the frame rates because I need to get new graphic card, see how it looks, but it's not even crashing. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, I gotta figure out this. There's a piece of wood over there. So this is my world. That's a jump across there. Because we still have double jump. There's skeleton still there. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to build a roof of my house. Okay, now, wait, no. Oh my god, we have more ammo. Yeah, literally. Now I need to upgrade my house. It's not gonna be. Okay. No, it's getting nighttime now. Mobs coming out. Yeah, it's So go check it out, season 0 that I made. Go check it out on season 0 that I made. Part 1, part 2 of this. But I was holding sprint, but sprint is like do sprinting. This is not good. That scared me. Try to go inside because mobs coming out. No, I'm gonna try to okay, there we go. Now I need to upgrade the house. Oh my god, why is my thing so laggy? Like my stream is not. My stream is a little bit laggy because I love this one. Okay, we're gonna try to build this. Dude, why is my whole thing so laggy? God, get out of my way, please. Get out of my house. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought I was gonna have to kill him. But yeah. Give me one of these. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna try to. Okay, wait, no. Boom. How's it look? Oh my gosh. We did it. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna have to end this episode here. So if you liked it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button below. Bye.